Morning children, now we are going to see exercise 9.2 question number 16. Commodity price under price 2000 2010 under quantity 2000 2010. அப்போ இது வந்து base year, இது வந்து current year. 2000 is the base year, 2010 is the current year. So 2000 that is base year la price na P0. Okay, current year la price P1. Similarly, quantity la base year Q0, quantity la current year Q1. Q0, Q1. Name it properly. The P0, P1, Q0, Q1 will not be in the position that you should assign. After assigning the names only, you are going to prepare 4 more columns. Okay, already I told you to prepare the columns like this, P0, Q0. This is what we are going to use in the formula, children. So, formula ku தேவையானதெல்லாம் நம்ம இங்க prepare பண்ணி வெச்சுக்கணும். P0 into Q0. Okay, P0 into Q0 na P0 column and Q0 column la fingers keep வெச்சுக்கணும். வெச்சிட்டு you start a product. 12 into 18, 15 into 20, 14 into 24 and 12 into 29, 348. Okay, use Calci to get the answers, children. Now the tabular column is ready. We used Calci to get the answer. P1 Q1 means keep your finger on that columns P1 Q1 and you can use Calci and write the answers immediately. Don't remove the finger till you complete this particular column. Okay, and you should find the total of this new columns, children. After finding new columns, you must write this like the you must write like this, that is summation of P0 Q0, summation of P1 Q1. ஓகேவா, டோட்டல் தானே கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கீங்க, அதனால் சம்மேஷன் கண்டிப்பாக இங்கே மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, in this question you are asked all the 3 answers: Laspey's method, Paste's price index and Fisher's price index also. So let us move to the first answer now. Subdivision 1, Laspey's price index number. What is the notation for this? P01 L. Summation of P1 by P0 Q0 Q0 into 100. Okay, now you substitute the values pa. P1 Q0 here 1040 divided by P0 Q0 1200 into 100. Now we are going to use Calci to get the answer. Similarly, subdivision 2 also you are going to find, that is Paste's method. Paste's price index number. Notation is P01 P. Okay, and here the formula I told you, this shortcut P1 by P0 will come as it is. Don't forget to write the summation. Okay, Q0 da I told you to make it as Q1 into 100. Is it not? This is the shortcut to learn the formula. Now we are going to give the respective values here. P1 Q1 value is 973. P0 Q1 value is 1280 into 100. Okay, use Calci to get the answer. Okay, then the third subdivision is number formula, Fisher's notation. I told you to use root individual formula P1 Q0 by P0 Q0. இங்கே என்ன ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோமோ அது இங்கே இருக்க ஃபார்முலாவில் இருக்கிறது ரெண்டையும் எழுதணும். எக்ஸப்ட் 100, 200க்கு 100 வெளியே எடுத்துன்னு போயணும், அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் சம்மேஷன் ஆஃப் P1 Q1 by summation of P0 Q1. outside the root only 100. inside the root எழுதுனா 200 எழுதுவோம். ரூட் எடுக்கிறதால ஒரு 100 வெளியில் போயிடுது, அவ்வளோதான். Okay, so now we are going to take these values here. Let me continue the problem by substituting the respective values. 1040 by 1200, 973 by 1280, outside the root 100. Use Calci for getting the answer. See, after using Calci we receive the answer for Laspey's 106.67. You must write the conclusion like this: there is 6.67 increase in the price in the year 2010 when compared with the year 2000. Okay, that is 100 இதிலிருந்து subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get 6.67. Similarly, Paste's answer is 106.89. You should write the conclusion again. There is if you subtract 100 from the 6.89 is the increase. You should write the sentence, entire sentence. And Fisher's index, the formula we have written and we have substituted the values also, and we are getting the answer as 106.78 by using Calci. I'll told to how to use the Calci here. 1040 into 973 divided by 1200, again divided by 1280. Okay, final answer after taking root that should be multiplied with 100. Single time at stretch individual answers you need not write. Okay, so you get the answer like this. If you subtract 100 from this, the answer is 6.78. There is 6.78% increase in the year 2010 when compared to year 2000. Okay, this is the way to give. You must give that way extra way, a sentence for this problem. Do you understand, children? Yes.